question number 141. Consider the following statements. Statement A says all nitrogenous bases found in RNA are substituted purines, and this is an incorrect statement because RNA also contains cytosine and uracil, which are substituted pyrimidines. The next statement is statement B, which says chitin found in exoskeleton of arthropods is a homopolymer of N-acetylcholine, and this is an incorrect statement because chitin, which is found in exoskeleton of arthropods, is a homopolymer of N-acetylglucosamine and not N-acetylcholine. So as both the statements are incorrect, select the correct option. Both A and B are true is incorrect. A is true but B is false is incorrect. Both A and B are false is a correct answer to our question. A is false but B is true is also incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 142. Glycosidic bonds are characteristic feature of which nitrogen lacking biomolecule? And the options are deoxyribonucleic acid, insulin, carboxypeptidase, and cellulose. The correct answer to this question is option number 4, cellulose. Cellulose is a polysaccharide of glucose and is a nitrogen lacking biomolecule that possesses glycosidic bonds. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid has glycosidic bonds but contains nitrogen. Insulin and carboxypeptidase, they are composed of amino acids and hence they also have nitrogen. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 143. Structures associated with alimentary canal but responsible for removal of excretory products from hemolymph in periplaneta is or are. The options are hepatic caecae, Malpighian tubules, gizzard, and nephridia. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are glandular ciliated tubules present at the junction of midgut and hindgut in the alimentary canal of cockroach or periplaneta. The next option is option number 1, hepatic caecae, which is incorrect. These are present at the junction of foregut and midgut in cockroach, but they are involved in secretion of digestive juice and not excretory products. And not for the removal of excretory products. Gizzard is incorrect option. It is a part of alimentary canal. It is not involved in the removal of excretory products. And last is nephridia, as cockroach lack nephridia. So this is an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question, question number 144. Select the incorrect statement. And the very first statement is Bidder's canal in Rana tigrina transports only sperms towards the cloaca. And as it is a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next statement says collateral glands are exclusive to female cockroach as anal cerci. And as it is an incorrect statement, this is a correct answer to our question because collateral glands are exclusive to female reproductive system. But anal cerci are common to both female and male cockroach. Secretions of collateral glands form ootheca in female cockroach. The next statement given is cockroach is always uricotelic irrespective of amount of water availability is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. And the last statement given is respiration in periplaneta occurs through 10 pairs of spiracles present on lateral side of the body is also a correct statement and cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 145. Enzyme that cannot be considered as part of succus entericus is succus entericus or intestinal juice. The options given are enterokinase, lactase, nucleosidase, and nuclease. As enterokinase, lactase, and nucleosidase are part of succus entericus or intestinal juice, they cannot be the correct answer. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, nuclease, because it is a part of pancreatic juice. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question.